Shenzhen Elpisen Technology Company, founded in 2010, with a mission to produce industrial multi-port USB hub and charging station. More than 10 experience in designing and manufacturing sync and charges hub, including custom technology solutions. We strictly enforce the ISO 9001 Quality Management System standards in training and management procedures. Approved CE, FCC, RoHS certificate. Each product with private mold and applied for patent. The outstanding products that exceed our customers' expectation. We cooperate with famous supplier, for example, Taiwan Meanwell Power Adapter, in order to provide our customers with stable and qualified items. Our product range offers intelligent charging and syncing along with customized service. We supply products and electronic module used in IT, software, education, government data center, mobile device, and retail companies worldwide. In addition to stocking and selling a wide range of products, we have an experienced engineering team which assists our customers with troubleshooting issue. At present, we have built good business relationship with customers from over 30 countries, such as UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Russia, USA, Australia. Also, we increased capacity and yield prosperous growth with new technologies. We have different types of USB 2.0 and USB 3.0, 7 ports, 10 ports, 20 ports, 30 ports for your mobile phone charging and refurbish. We offer our items from industry leaders such as Google, Huawei, Xiaomi, TikTok, Brightstar, others. We hope our ODM brand, Sipolar, will know for more customers.